Hi guys, we're on the delivery trailer and I brought this package to this gentleman, but I don't want to give him again. The conversation started with him saying Liverpool and
No, Red Angel. Red Devil,
Devil.
Red Angel.
and I don't know what to say right now.
We are bringing him to salvation. We are bringing him to salvation.
The only
Alright,
salvation
thank
is you getting your package.
Yeah, man, that's
at home,
true.
Which
That's
is not
true.
the norm.
Really, it's true, I was talking to somebody in New Kingston Shopping Center. And she
Right.
said, I can come pick up my package. He said, nah, tell me nothing, I get to my yard.
Yes, man. I guess
man.
your job too.
That's right. Islandwide Express. Every
All
time.
day, every day.
If you don't sign up yet, sign up now.
Even though it's Liverpool we support.
Because it is Liverpool.
We still love him. And we're gonna make sure he still gets his packages on time anywhere he goes. Right?
Man.
Simple.
Tip.
Alright.
New tip. Oh, I'm going with your mic now. I'm going with your mic, see there?
Alright, cool.
And I threw me
Only
a
Liverpool
I threw me a Liverpool.